Hi traders, what if I told you there's a single powerful indicator that can help you spot winning trades instantly? I've discovered a hidden gem on TradingView, all-in-one indicator, and now I'm here to share it with you. We'll put this secret weapon to the test in an action-packed backtesting session showcasing its potential in real-time market conditions. Feel free to choose any chart and time frame you like. This bad boy works wonders across the board. Now, let's head over to the Indicators tab and get ready to discover the mighty DIY custom strategy builder. Trust me, this is the only indicator you ever need for this game-changing strategy. It's time to fine-tune our secret weapon, the settings. Pay close attention as we dive into the indicator settings section by clicking on the gear icon. For this strategy, we're gonna choose the unbeatable super trend as our leading indicator. We've got other mind-blowing strategies centered around this powerhouse, so don't forget to check them out after this video. You'll find the link just above. Now for our confirmation indicator, we'll pick the reliable EMA option and switch off the others to keep it neat and focused. Moving on, let's heat up the switchboard section and handpick the indicators we want to see on the chart. Next, we'll make some smart moves in the MA's lines section. Set MA4 to EMA 100 and MA5 to SMA 200. Now, let's focus on the super trend indicator section. We'll change the ATR period to 3 and the ATR multiplier to 1. And lastly, head to the Style tab to give those indicator lines a bit more thickness so they're bold and visible on the chart. Now, let's talk about the EMA filter, your trusted sidekick that keeps you on the right side of the trend. By using this filter, you can avoid going against the flow and make more informed trading decisions. Here's how it works. When the EMA 100 is hanging out below the SMA 200 and the price is below both moving averages, we're in a downtrend. In this situation, you should never attempt to a buy trade because the overall market sentiment is bearish. Always remember, never swim against the current. Now, let's look at the opposite scenario. When the EMA 100 climbs above the SMA 200 and the price jumps over both moving averages, so it signals an uptrend. In this case, entering a sell trade is a no-go as the market sentiment is bullish. Keep in mind, it's always better to ride the waves than to go against them. So now let's tackle those tricky situations where the indicators seems a bit confusing. For example, when the EMA 100 is below the SMA 200 but the price sneaks in between them, sitting above the EMA 100 but below the SMA 200. In this scenario, it's best to hold off on entering a trade. The market is sending mixed signals and it's always better to play it safe than sorry. Another crucial aspect to remember is to avoid entering trades when the price is getting too cozy with a moving average line. This close proximity can create uncertainty and increase the risk of the price suddenly shifting against your position. Patience is key, so wait for a clear separation between the price and the MA lines before making your move. By steering clear of these situations, you'll better equipped. Now that you've got a solid grasp on reading the indicators, let's lay out the two essential conditions for entering a long trade. First, ensure the trend is your friend by confirming that the market is on a bullish ride. Look for the EMA 100 soaring above the SMA 200 and the price above both moving averages. Then patiently hold off until the super trend indicator flashes a green dot and a green line below a candle, signaling a prime buying opportunity. Once these two conditions are met, it's go time for placing the buy order. But remember, as excited as you may be, don't forget about risk management. Set a stop loss for the trade by selecting either the super trend dot, one of the MA lines, or the most recent market swing low to protect your hard-earned cash. Now, to calculate the profitable trade target, set it 1.5 times greater than the distance between the entry and a stop loss level. Alright, let's break it down. The rules for entering a sell trade with our winning strategy. First, make sure the market is in a downward trend by checking if the EMA 100 is below the SMA 200 and the price is also beneath both moving averages. Then, hold your horses until the super trend indicator gives you a thumbs up by showing a red dot and a red line above a candle, signaling it's time to sell. So, once both conditions are met, you're all set to enter that sell trade. But remember, always keep your risk management in mind. Set a stop loss for your trade by picking either the super trend dot, one of the moving average lines, or the most recent market swing high. And to secure your profits, set the target 1.5 times greater than the distance between entry and a stop loss level. Alright, now let's talk about the awesome results we got from testing this strategy. We tried it on the Bitcoin chart with a 15-minute time frame with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And guess what? We hit the jackpot. Out of 100 trades, we won 73% of them. And the total profit was a whopping 129%. That's like scoring big in your favorite game. We tested the strategy for 10 weeks and during that time we had some amazing winning streaks. The best one was when we won 16 times in a row, and we also checked the risks. The max drawdown was only 3.94%. The profit factor, which compares profit to loss, was a massive 4.11. This strategy provides to be a winner and relatively low risk. But ready to boost your trading game? Check out the recommended video for an awesome strategy that'll knock your socks off. Trust me, it's too good to miss.